My hair needs brushing. Trap set. Ouch!
Get lost! Huh? What's this?
Hey!
Loser!
Ready?
Whoa! You like long hair, huh?
Huh? Ow! Let go! Looks like it's time for a critical hit. Hiya!
Whoa!
Phew. Kinda cool though, right?
You're so gonna get it now!
Run!
What?
Ugh, I'm starving. Ugh, my hair's everywhere. I love salad. You got something right there. Oops, sorry. It's fine. Oh no, your hair's even here. Yuck, so gross. Ugh. No clue how that happened. Yuck! Uh-oh! Tasty. Wait, what the? Oh man, we gotta fix this. Oh, I got it. First, scoop out the inside. There. Much better. Now grab the peel and wrap it in plastic. Not bad, but it needs a glow up. These flowers are perfect. Stick them here. And boom! New headband. Let's try it on. Whoa! Now you can eat without a hair disaster. Let's see. Oh yeah, it works! Bon appetit! Huh?
Well, well, well.
Oh no! It's him! Hide! What's going on? See that guy? That's my ex! Oh no! But don't worry, I got this. Huh? All done. I'm not wearing a bag on my head. Fine, try this. Way better. Really? A foot face? And a hand face! High five! Quit messing around. Fine. Oh, hide me! No prob. This'll help. Just snip a little hair. Good thing I've got tons. Tie some here, some there. Done. Put it on. Huh? Huh? Perfect! What's it for? Uh-oh!
Have we met before?
Nope. Gotta distract him. Hey!
Huh?
I'm your clone and I'm stealing all your friends!
Ah!
Nailed it! It worked! These glasses saved me. High five! I got you! Hi, teacher. Hold up. Huh? No drinks in class. What? Why not? You're not getting through with that. Please? Nope. Let me play with these confiscated drinks. Score! Huh? Now scram! Darn! Oh, where do I hide this thing? Ugh, maybe here? Ugh, gotta think. Oh, this belt could work. Perfect! Wrap it up like this. Not too tight. Perfect. Put the bottle in and cover it with hair. Nice! Not so fast. Looks like you learned the rules. Okay. You can pass. Thanks! Hello, I'm here for class. Huh? What's that? Ooh, no drinks at school. What? Give me a sec. I'll chug it. Seriously? Oh boy. Phew, I needed that. We good?
Sure. Wait, what's this? Young lady, no food either!
What? Why?
Rules are rules. Get out!
Ugh. Wait, I got a plan. First, slice open the bottle. Then stick it inside the cake. Now put the bottle back together. So the cake piece hides behind the label.
You again?
It's just an empty bottle. I drank it all, remember?
Fine. Go on.
Yes! Trust me, it's gonna rock.
Hold up.
What?
You know it's a carnival party, right?
Yeah, you're not getting in. What the heck? Why not? Oh, look at her.
One sec. Whoa, cool costume. You're in.
Yay! What? Not fair! Ugh.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep, let's roll. First, pop up the collar. Tie a hairband like this. Loop it through and make a bow. Drop the collar back down. Done! Now add some ears. And these gloves are perfect! Oh yeah! Whoa, my turn! Slap some gel on the strand. Twist it like this. Same on the other side. Hat on. Draw the mustache. Boom! I'm ready! Awesome! Let's go!
You again?
Hey! Let's have a look.
I see you dressed up.
Interesting choice of hat.
Huh. You look awesome!
Thanks! Party time! Have fun! Wow, gorgeous sunset. Oh. Hello? What? Oh no, I'm coming! Phew, almost late. Better take these glasses off. Or maybe not. No way. What if they break? Maybe here? Ugh, where do I put them? Oh, I know. That hook is perfect. Stick it to the forehead like this. Now I don't even need to take them off. Not bad. Oh, my glasses keep falling. Much better. Oh no! Stop! Ugh. Dang it. It's fine, I'll fix it. Just twist it here. All set. Come here. Oh.
You're a mess.
Oh, really? Watch this. Let's just tie the glasses to the hair like this. Done! Now they'll never hit the floor again. Just hook the hair behind the ears. Perfect! How's it look?
Cool! Huh?
Oh, you coming? Not yet. Oh, okay. Bye. Whoa, so bright. Where are my glasses? Oh, right. Almost forgot. Ah, much better.